Well, as you can see, we done made it into our room on the ship. We are on the ship and we're in the room. Okay, now I'm gonna give you a tour of the room. So we start by coming through the door. It has a safe. It has a closet. Hangers and everything, and life jackets if something bad should happen. God forbid that from happening. There's a refrigerator, and this stuff is not free, guys. We have to pay for this, so I will not be drinking it. Got some drawers. Got a couple of drawers. The trash can, the seat to sit down. Got a blow dryer. Got room service and mini bar books that we can read. And this is the bathroom, guys. The toilet, tissue roll, handle, towels. Ooh, that's a pretty lamp. Yeah. Got some glasses in here. The sink. Well, that's nice. And then this is the shower. This is the shower, guys. Yep, so, yep. So when we come from the bathroom, when you walk further, this is my bed right here. My bed. My bed is a mess. Got junk on it, and then over here, got a TV station because you want to go to my side so they can't see you. And this is my daughter's side of the bed. And this is me, guys. Hello, this is Lisa, my dear. This is Lisa, my dear.